In that video, we will show how to generate traffic in the environment. So to do so, you go in the Edit menu, then on the right side, you have in the traffic group, 3 items. The first one is generator. This is the one we will see in that video. By default, all the generators are disabled. A generator is a point on the road that will create vehicles. From that point, vehicles will drive on the road. By default, you have a generator for each beginning of a road and end of a road, which is the start and finish generator you see in the list. Here we have 3 roads. I will activate all the generator and go in the profiles editor first. In that profile editor, you see a list of profiles. You can add profiles. A profile actually defines what vehicle will drive on the road. A vehicle is a 3D model. A 3D model must be imported before you can select it. Then in the profile you can add several models, and for each model you have a proportion, which is the chance that this vehicle will be generated. So in that profile we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 type of vehicles, and with different proportions. Now back to the generators. I am here in the scene at one intersection, the intersection between road 2 and 3. So I will select road 2 start generator, edit that one, and look at what we can do. The first parameter is the initial speed. That is the speed vehicles will drive at on the road, or the speed they will try to drive at. So let's say I want to lower the speed here. Here is the rate of vehicles, the number of vehicles that are generated per hour. You can change that rate, so I will actually increase that one. And you have the profile we've just seen that will be used at that generator. If you want to edit details, if you have several lanes on your road, you can change the parameter for each lane. Let's see that on a larger road. Here we have 3 lanes. For each lane you can change the rate, change the initial speed, and select a different vehicle profile. So back to the 3D view, back to the home menu, click on Start Traffic to generate the traffic on the roads. What you can see here are vehicles queuing at the intersection. This is the intersection vehicle queue we set in the previous tutorial, and then from the beginning of the roads, the end of the roads, some vehicles are generating according to the settings we've made in the generator. So you can see you have a lot of vehicles coming from here. This is where we've set a traffic volume of 2,000 vehicles per hour. They drive at 30 kilometers per hour, which is slower than the other vehicles on the other side. We did set traffic signals in the intersection, so vehicles are actually stopping and waiting for the signal to turn red or green. What you can see here is that the traffic signals are not being updated according to the actual traffic control. This is something we'll see how to do now. To actually assign a model to the intersection, you need to go to the plan view, go to the intersection you want to edit, right click, edit intersection, then go to traffic control, select the entry you want to assign a model to, click on edit list. You see on the left all the models that are available. You can click on one, check which one it is. You see that the models displayed in blue that are available change to green when they are selected in the list. Then for this entry, you want to select this one. So just click on that one, then this button to add it to the list. Then you repeat the operation for the other entrance of the intersection. And that's it. You just have to OK that again. And now if you start the traffic simulation, you can see that the color of the traffic signal is actually changing according to the behavior of the intersection. Okay, this is it for the traffic, or the basic features about the traffic. Thank you.